chronic dizziness, migraines, and neck pain is what this patient came into our clinic with today. So this is our initial workup where we do a 3D CBCT scan in order to identify any potential structures that could be causing any dysfunctions in the cervical spine leading to her symptoms, as well as on the bottom left, a more neurological evaluation for sensory motor, so her fine movement of her cervical spine. So can she track that blue dot with that black cursor, aka her nose, as well as range of motion findings and their accessory movements on the bottom right. We do all of this whenever we have a new patient who has complex symptoms because we want to get down to the root of it and provide more efficient care. So if you know of anyone who is suffering from dizziness, neck pain, or migraines and they haven't had any success yet, send them our way. Let's take a deeper look and see if we can help.